Meet the ANCHEER Underdesk Elliptical Machine. This is the perfect fitness companion for you to meet your fitness goals this year, whether it's at home or in the office. Let's get to unboxing and see what's inside. The Elliptical comes fully assembled, so you can start your workout right out of the box. No tools, no assembly, hassle-free. Also included is a full-color user manual that helps to guide you through every feature. It also includes a remote control, complete with its own batteries for adjustments. There's a small container of lubricant and a brush for maintenance. Plus, we have the power cord. This is a standard cord. Here we have the star of the show. This is the Underdesk Elliptical Machine itself, complete with a built-in handle for easy carrying. The ANCHEER Underdesk Elliptical is thoughtfully designed with a compact and lightweight frame. It makes it easy to store and to move around whether you're at home or at the office. It has a sleek design that fits seamlessly under most desks. This is perfect for multitasking while you're at work or while relaxing at home. The durable, high-quality frame is built to last and features a modern finish that complements any environment. Whether you're at home or in the office, this is the perfect addition. It has a sturdy, non-slip base which ensures stability during use. So you could focus on your workout instead of having to worry about it moving around or slipping and sliding. The Elliptical is powered by a standard outlet, and thanks to the latest silent system, it operates whisper quiet. Whether you're working, watching TV, or catching up on a good book, you can enjoy a smooth, noise-free workout at any speed. The ultra-smooth, non-slip pedals are designed for the ultimate comfort and your safety, allowing both forward and backward motions to target different muscle groups. These pedals help provide a low-impact yet effective exercise experience that burns calories, strengthens leg muscles, and promotes blood circulation, all without having to leave your seat. The easy-to-read LCD display gives you real-time data on distance, time, calories burned, steps, speed, and resistance levels. You can monitor your progress at a glance every step of the way. With the included remote control, you can adjust your settings effortlessly without having to bend over or get uncomfortable. The machine also offers 3 different modes. There's auto mode, there's manual mode, and lastly, there's resistance mode. There's also 12 different resistance levels to customize the intensity of your workout, 1 being the least challenging and 12 being the most challenging. Whether your goals are rehabilitation, muscle strengthening, or calorie burning, this is the machine for you. In addition to all these wonderful features, the Elliptical is perfect for creating a tailored fitness experience no matter what your activity level currently is. The auto mode provides preset programs to help you stay consistent, while manual mode lets you control the pace for a more personalized workout. Resistance mode challenges you with customizable levels to build strength and endurance over time. Whether you're looking for a gentle session to improve circulation or an intense calorie-burning workout, this machine adapts to your individual needs effortlessly. Plus, the forward and backward pedaling options gives you even more versatility and the option to target different muscle groups and enhance your overall results. The Underdesk Elliptical is ideal for seniors, office workers, or anyone looking for an easy and low-impact way to stay active. It's lightweight, portable, and requires 0 assembly. It really is the perfect gift for your family and friends. Take your fitness to the next level with this Underdesk Elliptical machine.